Welcome to Investosphere, your go-to destination for real-world strategies to build online income streams that work. If you're a creator, freelancer, artist, writer, or anyone with a skill or story to share, then this video could truly change your game. Today, we're diving deep into two powerful platforms, Ko-Fi and Patreon, and breaking down exactly how you can use them to generate consistent, reliable income by simply doing what you love. These platforms allow you to monetize your passion directly from your audience. But how do you get started? How do you grow? And most importantly, how do you turn it into an actual business? We're going to explore all of that and more in this complete, no-fluff guide. Section 1. Understanding Ko-Fi and Patreon. Ko-Fi and Patreon are both platforms that allow fans and supporters to fund creators directly. While similar in concept, they offer different features and cater to different creator styles. Ko-Fi allows creators to accept one-time or recurring payments from supporters, with no fees on donations. It feels casual, like buying someone a cup of coffee. Patreon focuses more on recurring memberships, where fans subscribe to get access to exclusive content, behind-the-scenes material, or personal interactions. It's a deeper commitment from your supporters. We'll compare their core features, who each platform is best suited for, and the pros and cons of each. Section 2. Who should use these platforms? If you're a content creator, podcaster, video maker, artist, musician, coach, or writer, these platforms are built for you. Even educators and consultants are finding ways to monetize their behind-the-scenes work, private Q&A sessions, or exclusive tutorials. We'll help you identify whether your audience would be more receptive to a Ko-Fi donation model or a Patreon subscription-based model. Section 3. Setting up your Ko-Fi or Patreon page. Step-by-step walkthrough of setting up a Ko-Fi or Patreon page. We'll cover how to choose the right username and profile image, writing a compelling bio that converts, setting up your goals and tiers, especially important for Patreon, creating reward systems that encourage support, adding visuals and content to build trust and connection. We'll also explain how to integrate payment methods, use welcome messages, and post regular updates. Section 4. Creating content that drives support. You don't need to burn out trying to create more content. Instead, think about how to deliver extra value around what you're already doing. We'll go over content ideas that work really well for each platform. Behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos or blogs, bonus episodes or tutorials, exclusive live streams or Q&As, digital downloads or merch. Consistency and authenticity are key. People support creators they feel connected to. Section 5. Driving traffic to your page. Your support platform won't grow unless people know it exists. We'll teach you smart promotion techniques, using YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to funnel traffic. Smart call to actions in your videos, descriptions, and bios. How to use email newsletters and blogging to promote support options. Engaging your existing audience without feeling sleazy. We'll include real-world examples of creators successfully driving traffic to their Ko-Fi or Patreon pages. Section 6. Monetization strategy and scaling your earnings. You can earn $50 to $500 a month easily with a few engaged supporters. We'll help you create your roadmap, understanding tier pricing and psychology, creating high-value rewards and limited-time offers, upselling access to exclusive coaching or premium content, encouraging long-term membership through loyalty rewards, hosting live events, digital downloads, or webinars. We'll also cover taxes, handling payouts, and how to track your monthly recurring revenue. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Most creators fail to make money not because they lack talent, but because they overlook key things. Avoid these. Not promoting your support page consistently. Offering confusing or unappealing reward tiers. Posting inconsistently or neglecting updates. Making it all about money instead of community. We'll discuss how to avoid burnout and keep things sustainable over the long term. Section 8. Real case studies and success stories. We'll explore success stories of creators making $1,000 plus per month on Ko-Fi and Patreon. You'll learn what they're doing right, what you can copy, and how to stay inspired by others in your space. You've just learned how to turn your passion into an income stream with Ko-Fi and Patreon. These platforms are not just donation tools, they're relationship builders. The secret lies in being authentic, creating value, and showing up consistently. So if you're ready to take the leap, start your page today and give your audience a way to support your creative journey. It's time to stop leaving money on the table. If this video helped you or inspired you, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts or questions below, and subscribe to Investosphere for more powerful, real-world strategies on building online income. Now, a question for you. What's one type of content you could offer exclusively to your fans that you think they'd be willing to support? Let us know in the comments. And who knows, your idea could inspire someone else to start their own journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.